Hi, in front of me is LG Q6 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to choose lock screen over here and click on face recognition. Then read all of these notes over here and click next. After that, enter your current login method and choose start. Then click OK. And now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!